Hello, what's up? In this video, I will teach you all about affiliate marketing for beginners 2023. Are you ready? Affiliate marketing is a popular way for individuals and businesses to earn money online by promoting other people's products or services. As a beginner, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. But with the right guidance and resources, anyone can learn how to succeed in affiliate marketing. The basic concept of affiliate marketing is simple. You promote a product or service, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique referral link, you earn a commission. This commission can vary depending on the product or service and the agreement you have with the merchant. To get started with affiliate marketing, you will need to choose a niche or industry that you are passionate about and has a good potential of selling. Then you will have to find the right affiliate program, sign up, and get your unique referral link. You can use various methods to promote affiliate products, such as creating a website, a blog, social media channels, email marketing, and more. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to make money online, but it requires patience and hard work. With the right mindset, strategy, and the right resources, anyone can learn how to make money with affiliate marketing. There are many platforms available for beginners to start affiliate marketing in 2023. Some of the popular ones include Amazon Associates. Amazon is one of the largest online retailers in the world and offers an affiliate program that allows you to promote a wide range of products, from books to electronics. ClickBank. ClickBank is an affiliate network that specializes in digital products such as ebooks, courses, and software. They have a wide variety of products to choose from and offer competitive commission rates. ShareASale. ShareASale is a well-established affiliate network that offers a wide range of products from different merchants, from fashion and beauty to home and garden. Commission Junction. Commission Junction is one of the largest affiliate networks that has a wide range of merchants from different niches, including travel, finance, and retail. Rakuten Marketing. Rakuten Marketing is an affiliate network that offers a variety of products and services from many merchants and also provides services like tracking, reporting, and optimization. PartnerStack. PartnerStack is a platform that helps software companies to manage their affiliate program. It's a great platform for digital products and services. It's important to note that these platforms are not the only ones available, and you can also find affiliate programs directly from the merchant's website. But these platforms are a great place to start as they have a lot of merchants and products in one place. It's also important to research the commission rate, payment method, and terms of service before signing up to any affiliate program. Let's deep down into these platforms, and I will explain how to do affiliate marketing for beginners on these platforms separately. Amazon Associates. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for each sale or lead generated through your unique referral link. To do affiliate marketing with affiliate associates, follow these steps. Find affiliate programs to join. Research companies in your niche or industry and look for their affiliate program. Some popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, and ShareASale. Apply to the affiliate program. Once you've found a program you'd like to join, apply to become an affiliate. This typically involves filling out an application and providing information about your website or blog. Promote products or services. Once you're accepted into an affiliate program, you'll receive a unique referral link or code to share with your audience. Promote these products or services on your website, blog, or social media channels. ClickBank. ClickBank is a popular affiliate network that allows you to promote products and earn commissions on sales. Here's how to do affiliate marketing with ClickBank. Sign up for a ClickBank account. Go to the ClickBank website and create a new account. You'll need to provide your personal information and payment details. Find products to promote. Browse ClickBank's marketplace to find products that align with your niche or audience. You can filter by category, commission rate, and more to find the best fit for your website or blog. Get your affiliate link. Once you've found a product you'd like to promote, click on the Promote button to generate your unique affiliate link. Promote the products. Share your affiliate link on your website, blog, or social media channels. Write reviews, create videos, or use other methods to promote the products to your audience. ShareASale. One way to make money from the ShareASale network in 2023 is by becoming an affiliate marketer. As an affiliate, you can promote products or services from ShareASale merchants and earn a commission for any sales that result from your referral. To get started, you will need to sign up for a ShareASale account and apply to become an affiliate for specific merchants. Once approved, you will be given unique referral links to use in your promotions. You can then use various online marketing strategies, such as creating a website or blog, using social media, or running ads, to drive traffic to the merchant site and make sales. Let's see how you can promote the ShareASale products in 2023 in order to make more money. Commission Junction. In 2023, one way to make money from Commission Junction, CJ, is by becoming a CJ affiliate. As a CJ affiliate, you can promote products or services from CJ merchants and earn a commission for any sales that result from your referral. To get started, you will need to sign up for a CJ account and apply to become an affiliate for specific merchants. Once approved, you will be given unique referral links to use in your promotions. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money online in 2023. From affiliate marketing to starting your own e-commerce business, the opportunities are endless. It's important to remember that success in making money online takes time and effort. Finding the right niche, creating valuable content, and building a strong online presence are all crucial steps in the process. Remember to stay focused, stay motivated, and always be willing to learn and adapt as the online landscape is constantly changing. With the right approach, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. Thanks for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in your online endeavors. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch more videos like this one and learn more about making money online in 2023. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when new videos are released and can continue to learn and grow alongside me. So hit that subscribe button now, and let's make money online together in 2023.